Hello friends, welcome to Easy Home Gardening. Today I will share information about vegetables that can be grown in the month of February and March. So here I have taken seeds of 5 vegetables. These are the seeds of ladyfinger. This is the seed of ridge gourd or taroi. And this is pumpkin. This one is the bottle gourd, and these seeds are of bitter gourd or Karela. Guys, I have done seedling in early February, but you can do seedling in the month of March also. And in monsoon season, you can grow these seeds for the second time in a year. And these vegetable seeds start giving fruits around 60 to 90 days after their seedling. So let's learn how we can do seedling and grow vegetable at home in pots or containers. You can get seeds from your nearby nursery, or you can check my description box. I have shared link to buy these seeds online. Now the most important thing is the potting mix. I'm going to use these 3 components. This is the vermicompost. You can use cow manure also in place of this, and you have to take 20% vermicompost. Second one is the garden soil, and its ratio will also be 20%. And the last is coco peat. In place of coco peat, you can use sand also. So the ratio of coco peat or sand has to be 60%. Means for seedling, you have to take 60% coco peat, 20% garden soil and 20% vermicompost. Guys, for seedling, I mostly prefer to use disposal glasses as it is very easy to take out plants from them. You can use any small pot also for seedling. But if you are taking these glasses, then firstly make holes like this at the bottom for better drainage. So let's mix the soil in the ratio which I told earlier in the video and fill 70% of the glass with the potting mix. Now place 3 to 4 seeds on the soil surface. If you want more plants to grow, then you can take another disposal glass. But I suggest in one disposal glass, you only sow 3 to 4 seeds and then cover them with fine layer of soil. Just make sure do not bury the seeds too deep. After that, keep this glass in partially shaded area or under the shade of a big tree or plant so that these glasses don't get direct sunlight. Now likewise, I will do seedling of other vegetable seeds also. Now I'll talk about the sixth vegetable that you can grow 2 times in a year is cucumber. And this is the cucumber plant of my terrace garden whose seedling I had done in monsoon season last year. Very soon I'm going to upload an individual video on it, that how you can grow cucumber plant at home easily. And friends, this is the last vegetable plant among the list, which is brinjal. So you can do seedling of brinjal seeds in February, March, and then in monsoon season. So guys, these were the super 7 vegetables, the seeds you can grow in the month of February, March, and then in the monsoon season. So guys, this is the update of seedling, and you all can see that all the vegetable seeds have started germinating except bitter gourd seeds, and hope to see positive result in few days in it also, like other disposal glasses. So when you see seed leaves in your disposal glasses, you can place these glasses in direct sunlight, and when you get 2 to 3 true leaves, then you can transplant them in individual pots. So friends, this was all for this video. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share it with your gardening lover friends and family. And those who are visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to hit red color subscribe button and hit the bell button to get notification of my new update. Do leave your comments below about the video. Till then, thank you and happy gardening.